Hi there. I don't think we've met before.
Hi. No, I'm new here.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you.
Is this your first day?
Yes, it is.
How are you feeling so far?
A little nervous, to be honest.
That's totally normal.
I hope so.
I'm Alex, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Alex. I'm Emma.
Nice to meet you too, Emma.
Everyone seems friendly here.
Most people are, don't worry.
That's good to hear.
Where are you from?
I'm from Seattle.
Oh, that's cool.
Have you always lived here?
Yeah, pretty much.
Then you must know the place well.
I do. I can help you if you need anything.
That would be great.
What made you transfer here?
My family moved for work.
That makes sense.
Changing schools is harder than I expected.
It gets easier with time.
I hope so.
Which class are you heading to now?
English literature.
Same here.
Really? That's a relief.
You can sit next to me if you want.
I'd like that, thanks.
Have you met the teacher yet?
Not yet.
She's pretty nice.
That's good news.
Do you like reading?
Yes, especially novels.
Then you'll enjoy this class.
That sounds promising.
Are you into any sports?
I like swimming.
We have a swim club here.
Really?
Yeah, you should check it out.
I definitely will.
What about hobbies?
I enjoy photography.
That's awesome.
Do you have any hobbies?
I play guitar.
That's cool.
We have a music room too.
This school sounds amazing already.
It has its moments.
I'm starting to feel less nervous.
That's good.
Thanks for talking to me.
No problem at all.
I was worried I'd feel lost.
You're not alone here.
That means a lot.
Do you know where your locker is?
Not yet.
I can show you later.
Thank you.
How long have you been in town?
Just a week.
Still unpacking, I guess.
Yes, boxes everywhere.
That's always stressful.
Very.
Do you miss your old school?
A little, yeah.
That's understandable.
Making new friends helps, though.
You'll make plenty here.
I hope you're right.
People are curious about new students.
In a good way?
Mostly.
That's reassuring.
The bell is about to ring.
Already?
Time flies.
I guess so.
Ready for your first class?
As ready as I can be.
You'll do great.
Thanks for the encouragement.
Anytime.
Do you mind if I ask you questions later?
Not at all.
I really appreciate that.
That's what friends are for.
Friends already?
Why not?
I like that.
Here's the classroom.
Looks nice.
Let's grab seats.
Okay.
Front or back?
Maybe the middle.
Good choice.
Thanks for guiding me.
You're welcome.
I feel much better now.
I'm glad.
I was really anxious this morning.
First days are always tough.
True.
After a week, this will feel normal.
I hope so.
It will.
You're very kind.
I just remember my first day.
Was it hard for you too?
Definitely.
That makes me feel better.
See? You're not alone.
I'm glad I met you today.
Me too.
Let's stay in touch.
For sure.
Maybe we can study together sometime.
I'd like that.
Great.
The teacher is coming.
Okay, here we go.
Good luck.
Thanks.
You've got this.
I'll try my best.
That's all you can do.
True.
Welcome again to the school.
Thank you so much.
If you need help, just ask.
I will.
See you after class.
See you.
Have a good class.
You too.
Everything will be fine.
I believe that now.
Ready to start this new chapter?
Yes, I am.
That's the spirit.
Thanks for making my first day easier.
Anytime.
I'm really grateful.
No problem at all.
Let's talk later.
Sure thing.
See you soon.
Welcome aboard.
Happy to be here.
You'll fit in just fine.
I think so too.
All right, class is starting.
Okay.
Talk later.
Definitely.
Good luck.
Thank you.